Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our Casa 60 book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts E and 4 parts number 3, our feet. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts B, 2 parts C, 2 parts D, as well as our previous 2 E's, and 12 parts number 2, our bolt. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Having a close look at B, you'll see there's an additional hole on the side here for later steps. When we're assembling now, we'll be using C on the same facing side as these holes. You'll see on the side of C, there are holes. When we join them, you'll see there'll be holes on side B and C. It's important because this is used for a later step. Let's continue. We'll then use D without the additional hole in the other side. Okay. Next, we'll take our 2 and fasten these ones. We'll only be inserting one screw mount here on the top side. We'll be leaving the second one open for the later step. On D, we can fasten both. Next, we'll be adding our part E to the bottom. Bearing in mind, we'll also be leaving one of the screws out on the C facing side. For our next step, we'll be needing 24 part 1s, our screws, and 6 parts A, our boards, and our previous assemblies from earlier. When installing, please ensure that the C sides are facing the same direction. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts F, our back brace, and 8 parts number 2, our bolt. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA 6T book. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.